how to delete all archive stories on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all archive stories on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your settings section, you can see the option label archive. Simply tap on that. And here you will find all your previously posted stories saved in the archive. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow you to delete all archive stories at once, so you will need to remove them individually. To do that, simply tap on the story you want to delete, and after that, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen, and from there, you can simply tap on delete and confirm the action. And after that, you can repeat this process for all the archive stories you want to remove. And that's it. That's how you can delete stories archives on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.